Hello friends. Today, I'm going to give 20 Solanas to 20 YouTube viewers. So watch till the end because in this video, I will tell you exactly how you can earn them. Let's get to the video. Creating a meme coin on Pump.Fun is old school now. Because on Pump.Fun, more coins are creating in seconds. On other liquidity pools, that's not the case. Look here on DexScreener. We can list our coin using this method. Follow me step by step till the end. I am looking for trending meme coin on DexScreener. Go to Trending tab and look for recently trending coin. I choose this nano coins. Its name is Nano Banana. And I download the image also. Now go to the Odin tools. The link is in the description. Click Create Now button. Then enter the name. In my case, it's Nano Banana. Symbol is nano. Total supply is how much coin we get, and it's 1 billion. Keep the decimals to 9. These are the standards for meme coins. To the description, you can copy and paste the description from DexScreener, but I will enter my coin name. Then upload your coin image. For the token setting, the first 3 option must be switch on. If you want to add creator address, you can do it in here. But I keep this as it is. Then click on Add Liquidity. In here, base token means how much token we put in the liquidity pool. I keep this as 900 million. Quote token is how much Solana we put into the liquidity pool. I tried this with 0.5 Solana, 1 Solana, and 2 Solana. But best option is 3 Solana because it will attract more buyers in no time. Then switch on Boost Token Visibility. This will boost your token in DexScreener. Then click on Add Liquidity. Copy the Solana wallet address and send the coins. Then copy the transaction ID and paste it. Then click on Check Transaction. Now you can see your coin is created and liquidity pool is also created. And you can see the power of Odin tools. More peoples are buying our coin. Look at the liquidity, it's rising as we speak. Now you have to wait a few minutes. While we waiting, I will tell you how to win 20 Solanas. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and like the video. Then copy and paste your Solana receiving address. After this video gets 1,000 likes, I will give 20 subscribers 1 Solana each randomly. Now we have more than 10 Solanas. So let's withdraw the liquidity. Click on Withdraw Liquidity and paste your Solana receiving address. Then click Withdraw. Now check your wallet. Boom! Here you can see I received 12.16 Solanas in just 15 minutes. This is for educational purposes only. This is not a financial advice. This trick might not last forever. So make sure you take advantage of it right now, so hurry up. Subscribe to the channel and like the video and comment your Solana address to win 1 Solana. Thanks. See you in next video.